On to our next category, Law Firm of the Year. And I'd like to call up Hubert out from New York Serviced Offices to hand this award out.
And we have a short long list here. And on the list, Dentons, Linklaters, Magnuson, Neuer, Schönherr, Truszewicz, Law Firm, White Case, Wilsons.
So Hubert, thank you very much for joining us tonight and helping us hand out this exciting award to Law Firm of the Year.
The winner is Dentons.
We're waiting for your colleagues. Yes, good, no problem. Happy to have them. Welcome, congratulations. Welcome. Congratulations. Please feel free to say a few words and
all my colleagues, thank you very much. Thanks to Jerry, thanks Janusz.
Thank you and congratulations.
Thank you very much and have a great evening.
No, thank you. And come on over here for a photo. A little ways away from the microphone.